Figuring out the accessory drive is a critical part of any LS swap. Now, a stock LS comes with beautiful cast aluminum brackets. The problem is they put things like the AC compressor and the power steering pump down low, which is a problem when you're swapping into an old car because they always tend to hit the frame rail or the crossmember or something that you don't want them to. So you always have to find some kind of aftermarket solution to spin alternator, power steering pump, AC compressor, and things like that. We have this 5.3 here that we are swapping into this K10 square body 4-wheel drive, and we have chosen these Bills brackets that we sell here at Speedway Motors, and these come in a kit with everything that you need: alternator, power steering pump, AC compressor, all the associated hardware, everything that we're going to need to drive the accessories on this engine. So now all we have to do is install it. Now, before you start ordering parts, the first thing you have to figure out is what crank pulley spacing you have.
And the accessories we've chosen for this truck are going to be on a LS truck spacing, which is the long spacing. Speedway sells this really handy kit that you can pick out whether you want a short Corvette style F-body, or in this case, the long truck offset for the belt on the pulleys. It's a really slick idea, and if you ever want to change offsets in your accessories, it makes it really simple to do.
Because alternatively, you have to press off or pull off the balancer pulley and then replace it with the one that coincides with the spacing that you want.
Yep, it's generally not a lot of fun. So this saves you a lot of time and effort for getting the puller out and heating the balancer out, or whatever option you use to get the balancer off the engine.
The other big piece of this that you need to take into account is the water pump. And there are some sort of universal water pumps that have big long pulleys on them that are meant to accommodate each of the 3 depths. Our preference is to just use an OE pump with the spacing that you want. So this is just a truck pump that's gonna line up the way we want it to here. And now we're going to put the AC side on. And again, all of these are different, but this bracket kit is able to work with just the alternator, power steering, and then a tensioner over here if you want to forego the AC, or if you have AC, there's this separate bracket that goes onto this other cylinder head. All right, now we're going to put this tensioner on here, and just a thing to be mindful of with just about any one of these kits is pay attention to your belt path. So there are smooth pulleys and there are ribbed pulleys, and obviously the ribbed side of the belt goes to the ribbed pulley, smooth side of the belt goes to the smooth pulley. So we just had to change this pulley on this tensioner so that our belt routing would be correct.
The last piece of our puzzle for the accessories on this LS engine we're putting in this swap is going to be the black alternator that's included with the kit when you buy the Bills brackets here.
All right, that more or less completes the install of our Bills bracket kit here. We're going to wait to press on the power steering pulley until we've plumbed the pump, but otherwise this is pretty much how this is going to look. There is a ton of these available, lots of different styles that are going to put the accessories in different orientations. You just have to find the one that works for your chassis and be mindful of a few of those things like belt routing, get the right water pump, get the right balancer pulley, and you'll be set.